And there she sits. She quit on me. All right. So the old girl quit on me. That's the mechanical pump. It's a Fiat lift pump. Cracked it here. Crank. I've got fuel. Then it goes to the filter. Cracked it there. I've got fuel. And then I cracked the other side of the filter. Got fuel. Going into the pump. Got fuel. And out to the injectors. Nothing. This is the fuel shut off. Manual fuel shut off. It's, been sloppy since I bought the tractor last year. I haven't done anything to it, but it just quit. And I'm thinking it's the fuel shut off, but let's see. I'll have part 2 once I dig into it and see what's going on. But winter ain't over and she's stuck in the back pasture, so gotta do something.